How are schools in Colorado funded? Where do we get the cash to keep our schools properly functioning? Colorado schools are funded through three main sources: per pupil funding, property taxes, and bond/mill levies. Per pupil funding depends on student enrollment, but there are drawbacks. Colorado currently spends an average of $1,397 less per pupil than the national average, and as enrollment continues to drop across the state, this funding is becoming less reliable. Colorado schools are usually funded through a combination of local and state property taxes, but with the introduction of Tabor and the Gallagher Amendment, property tax revenue has been declining in the state. Finally, there are bonds and mill levies. These raise local property taxes in order to gain revenue to financially support projects such as building or renovating schools, among other things. More affluent neighborhoods, however, are more likely to vote to support a bond or mill levy, whereas communities lacking financial resources may be more hesitant. So what can be done? At the most basic level, communities should get involved in decisions for their local school districts, but policy improvements will bring the most change. So the best we can do is remain politically active and continue to support our schools.